Hi, this is the Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here click to default notification sound and switch your currently sound to one from the another sounds which you would like. You could use your also local music or recordings or just the default sounds. Here then just tap to OK to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.